What is good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, disconnect. So customer came out here to check on his system, and this is what we walked up on right here. So she should be dead. We'll verify power, make sure it is, take this bad boy out, put the new one in. Let's get started. All right, obviously you can do one of those numbers, but I'm gonna go ahead and verify just to be, you know, safe and all that. Okay. And voltage. This is to the equipment here. This is to inside. Okay. Well, we actually are not dead. So let's go inside and find the breaker. Where is the breaker panel? It's actually still live.
I figured it was. Don't think this one's gonna work.
It might, yeah. I know sometimes they do put them on the outside main panel.
So AC right here.
Oh.
That's 2 buttons.
Yeah, that's it. That should do it.
Oh, I don't know. My father was the old school. It's like, don't be a pussy.
Well, back in the day, they used to tell you to put your fingers on the leads.
Oh, I didn't have to do
the
that.
continuity.
I got zapped.
Yep. And then that's how you learned. I think it was actually in like the code book that like essentially licked the damn thing. Yeah, there we go. We're dead.
I apologize. What's your first name again?
Jake.
Jake, okay.
You are the man. No, you're good.
I'm terrible with names.
Same here.
I blame it on my age.
No, you're good. You're good.
You know, we bought a new air conditioner. I was just surprised that was included.
Honestly,
it is what it is.
Should have been.
That's what I was afraid of.
Should have been, but that's, you know what? It was working, I guess, right? Yeah. Hey, you know what? I can put a word into the guy if you want. I can let him know.
You can. I just told her first. I said, God, you think they would have put a new box in for spending $6,500?
Yeah. You know, at least.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Did somebody came out here the other day?
The owner.
Okay.
I forgot his name though.
That's okay. It's not memorable.
He knows everybody.
Yep.
And when we do.
She's got her connections.
Yeah, and it's not only that. It's just trying to get the business leaders up and people that need help.
Yeah.
Not many people do that anymore.
No. It's funny. It's like
we tell the story. This last guy and with the wrap and everything.
Oh Lord, what happened? Well, so there's more to that story.
I'm sure
you know what I'm saying?
Like I said, you said it right. I mean, you got to go in the booth, meet the shop guy, meet the clientele, and then the big shocker is, what labor am I getting today?
Dude,
you know that.
Was it always different help?
Yes. So the problem being is, well, and Florida wasn't so bad because we, you know, our home base is in Orlando.
Okay, so that's
and
nice.
We wear the purple shirts. We're the most. We call ourselves. We did it right the first time.
I love it.
We're most expensive to hire. We're the purple shirts on the floor.
That's it.
But these guys have been doing it for years. Everybody has the same experience, but some have more expertise than others.
Correct.
Young guys, carpet bad.
It's like
I'm starting kicking with my knees. So it makes a big difference in those that are good with wraps.
Oh, there you go.
Those that are good with electrical. And of course, we hired out a third party for TVs and, you know, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, of course.
I mean, it just goes on and on. And because the clients are spending, before we even get started, $1 million for the floor space. Wow. Just the concrete.
Yeah.
And then they're hiring us for another $1.5 million to get it built. So the thing is, these are more like, these are not public shows like you see on TV. These are private shows.
Okay.
So they're come out with every year, the new ideals, like the military. I did all the military shows.
Okay.
So all the new military of last year is obsolete this year. I work for the 5th largest defensive contractor in the world, L3 Communications.
Okay.
And in the military, we did all.
You were part of all, yeah.
All of them.
That's
but the
awesome.
biggest show of the year was Army.
Okay.
Took up the entire convention center. And we also had.
Oh, Lord.
I didn't see nothing.
There it goes. Look at that. It just broke apart.
Yeah, well, that's supposed to fall out. Okay, I know what I'm talking about. So with all that said, we would do what we had to do, and then the crews come in. If they're wearing purple shirts, that's a good day. And they love it when the radio's not going off.
Oh man, I could imagine.
It's insane, dude. It really is. Because you only have, sometimes you only have 2 days to build the entire booth.
You know what? So I've gone down there during, they do the big HVAC convention there, right? Every 3 years.
HVAC?
HVAC.
Which is the...
HVAC, so it's AHR.
Oh.
And it's like the whole convention center, not the whole thing, because obviously I was ginormous, but I seen them come in and have to break those things down, boy.
Yeah. And you have to get it out at a certain time and the show's coming behind
yep.
Yep.
And you're only, and then, you know, how much free stuff did you get out of that? The booths left behind. They're like, well, we can't even move in this.
Well, they used to until they clamped down on that. So when they clamped down on it, security made you say you can't bring it through doors. It all goes in a dumpster. Especially the largest tile show.
Okay.
When it came over, you had Italian tile, and people used to come up with pallets of stuff they didn't want to send back. It cost too much to ship it.
Yeah.
And people were, you know, loving life. And now that also, they dump all that in the 40-yard dumpster. I'm talking about expensive tile from Italy, anywhere in the world. It's insane.
Yeah, that's incredible.
I hope that black one's gonna be long enough for you.
Oh yeah, we'll make it. We're gonna get her in there. Ain't no doubt about it. Yeah, we'll get it right up in here.
Okay.
Cool. Nah, we'll make that work.
I got more of that.
I don't want to add any on there, but let me go grab my other drill. Yeah, summer's definitely picking up, man. You know, when things like this start happening and it's hot out, I'm just thankful to have Camel City Mill on my side. Shut it. Shut your mouth. You're telling me you don't know about Camel City Mill? Well, lucky for you, they're today's video sponsor. You gotta admit, that's a perfect segue to tell you guys about Memorial Day savings Camel City is having right now. Obviously, if it's after Memorial Day, there's not gonna be a savings, but they're doing a bundle and save, and this is the sales you guys do not wanna miss on. Trust me when I tell you, I've been with Camel City Mill for over 2 years at this point. And when I say they're the best work socks out there, they literally are. And plenty of you know who have bought those socks and comment all the time how amazing these socks are. I'm in Florida, it's damn 100 degrees, humidity's 100%, and the only thing that's dry on me at the end of the day are my feet. They're made right here in America. They got that Dan Merino Ironside wool. They got that bison wool, 70%. Check them out, man. Links in the description. But again, it's the Memorial Day sale. Go ahead and bundle and save. Reinforced toes, reinforced heels. It's the best accessory to a work uniform money can buy. Your feet are going to thank you. Your wallet's going to thank you. I'm going to thank you. And with that being said, let's get on with the video. This kit here, to go on like your little SDS, man, SDS Plus, perfect, superb. It's got your different tap con sizes and everything, got the little sleeve. It's great, it's great, use it. Got one there. We're gonna go right in there. Nice, cute and tight, as they say.
If you need a pair of hands, I get it.
Oh, you are the man.
I've been there.
He's like,
fucking thing is a pain in the ass.
Absolutely. Perfect. Beautiful. That's in. And then what I'll do is I'll throw a little temporary one on here real quick.
Yeah, I brought my wife out here. This is a two-man job.
Yeah, it's a...
Especially with a shit show with plastic.
Oh, dude, you're like, what am I doing with this?
An hour and a half later, I go, what is... I said, and she looked at me and goes, okay, we'll get another one.
All right, you're good. I'm gonna let it sit there loosely.
Right.
That's perfect.
So you do the rest.
Yeah, and then we'll caulk around it, give it a nice waterproofing. And then we'll do this again a couple more times.
The last one you caulk.
Yeah. Beautiful, you the man. You gotta keep your hands, you know, keep them going, right?
Yeah, that's why I finally had to Worst case of carpal tunnel the doctors ever seen. So,
Really?
so I had both of them on my wrist cut.
What?
Yeah.
Jeez, man.
Man, I can bend them down, do more with it. Oh my God. And then once in a while, when you call it, what do they call it?
You'll get one more for back on the bottom.
What they call it, but I had to go back in again, had to cut me again.
Jeez. You've been through it.
Yeah.
Moving along pretty good, though.
Yeah, I wasn't taking
Yeah.
2 weeks ago, I had to go to emergency room for morphine.
Dang, brother.
The cyanide
Oh, yeah.
shut me down. And before that, I was really good. I mean, just popped up, you know, didn't do too much.
I've been there, man. I got, probably not to that extent, but I got a couple herniateds down here.
Oh boy, I get it.
I was like, it was a different, yeah, it wasn't fun. That's for sure.
I get it. Then she got married 3 more times and divorced.
Really? So I wouldn't say it exactly. It
So
wasn't you.
yeah.
Family tradition.
When all 3 brothers marry their, like, I guess, first cousins.
Oh Lord, yeah, that'll do it, right?
And after those 3 got divorced, everyone in the family's divorced now.
Jeez, that's hilarious.
But my daughter and me finally got it together. Or she finally got together because I had a rich uncle.
Okay.
I kept telling these stupid kids, even though, because of mother poison, I don't care, just listen for 5 seconds. You have a lifetime opportunity as children to go to college.
Yeah.
Free.
Yeah.
The uncle that I met twice in my life left a $3.5 million trust fund to
What?
go to college.
Yeah.
So my daughter took advantage full on. She graduated from Indiana University and she's now a pharmacist.
Wow.
Now my son, which I hardly ever talked to, went into cybersecurity.
Okay. Don't worry, he's watching.
But my daughter and me are now talking a lot.
Oh,
And we
awesome.
visited, and she's coming down again, and she's just had her first child, so I'm a grandfather.
Let's go! Congratulations.
Yeah.
Let's go. That's exciting.
It is different, yeah.
That's a whole new world, huh?
Yep, and and the husband, I really like him a lot.
That's awesome.
He was in the Marines.
Okay.
And he now works for the government in some kind of agricultural water control. You know, I've been around long enough to see that.
That's incredible, man. That's awesome. I'm glad to hear it.
And then my father's still alive.
Oh, wow.
Oh, he's 87. He calls me fatso still.
Ah, he don't mess around. He doesn't hold back, does he?
He's 6 foot, 165 pounds.
Jeez.
Never smoked, never drank, but he was a major in the Air Force.
Oh, yeah.
Real strict.
Incredible. I love it.
And he's been married 5 times.
Oh, get out of here. Whoa. He didn't learn the first 4, huh?
Well, our mother died.
Oh,
unexpectedly.
blessings. Yeah. That's
So he
different.
married all these different girls online, and some I said, dude,
Pops.
what's going on with the China bride?
Whoa.
She can't speak English.
Yeah, that's
That
incredible.
lasted 2 years.
No. Oh my God. Hey, Pops was just trying to live his best life.
You know, he doesn't like to be alone. He likes
Yeah.
to be bad. I said, dude.
Oh boy. All right. I got my torque screwdriver. We're gonna go ahead and torque these down to specs. All right. So just for the reference, okay, our copper line and load is going to be 35. Our copper ground is going to be 20, and then our 8 gauge load is 40. So it's going to be 40, 35, 20. So 40. Perfect. Perfect. And now we're going to go down to 35 for our load side. It's pretty close. And then now we'll go down to 20 for our ground. Probably overdid those. That's okay. There we go. Perfect. And then always take the torque off your driver and put everything away. Cool. And now clean that out. I'm gonna get some silicone, put up on the top here. Now all you do, just put a little spit on that thing. There we go. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go clean this shit off. Oh, like I just jacked off an elephant, coach. Quick, what's the movie reference? That's all he wanted, a nice snug tight fit. And there we have it. And that's just a disconnect, guys. Summer's here, it's getting ready. Don't forget, Camel City Mills got you covered with their bundle and save savings. So guys, summer's here, it's upon us. Be safe out there, hydrate, do all the good stuff, okay? Just be prepared for the summer rush. Hope you guys all stay safe out there. If you could, smash the like button, consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know I appreciate y'all, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Later.